Save money and the environment with these genius hacks. Are you searching for practical ways to save money while also making a positive impact on the environment? Look no further. In this post, we will share some genius hacks that will not only help you save a few extra dollars but also contribute to a greener and more sustainable future. Read on and discover the power of small changes that can make a big difference. 1. Opt for reusable shopping bags. Disposable plastic bags not only harm the environment, but they also add up to your monthly expenses. Invest in a few sturdy reusable shopping bags and keep them handy. They are not only durable but also eco-friendly, allowing you to play your part in reducing plastic waste while avoiding those extra charges for single-use bags at grocery stores. 2. Reduce food waste. Food waste not only strains your wallet but also contributes to global food loss and its associated environmental impact. Plan your meals in advance, create a shopping list, and make sure to use perishable items before they go bad. Additionally, try smaller portions and save leftovers for later. These simple steps will minimize wastage, saving both money and resources. 3. Embrace natural cleaning products. Commercial cleaning products can be expensive and often contain harmful chemicals that harm aquatic ecosystems. Instead, consider making your own cleaning solutions using common household ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon juice. These inexpensive alternatives are equally effective and gentle on both your wallet and the environment. 4. Unplug and save energy. Did you know that even when appliances are turned off, they still consume energy in standby mode? By simply unplugging electronic devices or using power strips, you can prevent vampire power and reduce your utility bills. Also, be mindful of your energy usage by switching off lights when not in use, adjusting thermostat settings, and utilizing natural light sources whenever possible. 5. Embrace second-hand shopping. Thrift stores and online marketplaces offer a wide range of high-quality, gently used items at a fraction of their original price. From clothing and furniture to electronics and home decor, you can find fantastic deals while reducing the demand for brand-new products. Second-hand shopping not only saves money but also contributes to lowering the carbon footprint associated with manufacturing and shipping new goods. Conclusion. By incorporating these simple yet effective hacks into your daily routine, you can save money, help the environment, and build more sustainable habits. Remember, every small action counts towards making a significant impact. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where you will find more insightful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and let's embark on this journey to a greener future together. Note: as an AI, I cannot provide links or direct subscriptions to YouTube channels.